Ready to upgrade to a Taxumo subscription plan? It's easy. First step, log into your Taxumo account. Once you arrive at your dashboard, direct your cursor to the toolbar on the left and scroll down. Click on the Upgrade to Power Up plans. This would open to the subscription page featuring all of Taxumo's annual plans. The beauty of these plans is that it lets you upgrade your Taxumo experience by leveling up your convenience and savings. If you're a non-VAT freelancer or a sole proprietor, we recommend you select DIY Subscription Plan, which comes with unlimited tax filings of these forms. That means in the event you may need to make a tax amendment, you won't need to worry about extra charges, since there is no limit to the number of filings you may make. Best part, this plan comes with a free Taxumo Pro access, which lets you unlock and make use of our Books of Accounts feature, amongst other features. What this means is that you could use this to serve as your bookkeeping tool that lets you auto-generate ready formatted bookkeeping entries that you can quickly transfer to your manual books. If you're registered as a VAT taxpayer, then the DIY Subscription Plan Plus is the one for you. You'll need to select this one since this includes VAT forms such as the monthly VAT 2550M and quarterly 2550Q. Again, same with the other plan, you can also get free access to Taxumo Pro. If you would rather get Taxumo Pro in itself, you could also do this by simply choosing this plan. Again, upgrading your regular account to a Taxumo Pro account allows you access to the Books of Accounts view for a year. It also allows you to assign 2 more delegates to access your account so they could file your taxes on your behalf. Oh, before we forget, did you know that you can purchase these plans using Zennies? Zennies are exclusive Taxumo credits that you can use. Just click on Purchase Zennies, and if you're fortunate, you can actually catch a promo that lets you purchase more Zennies for your peso. But let's go back to how to upgrade. Now, if you're ready, just click on Subscribe Now, which automatically leads you to the payment checkout page. There are many payment options to choose from. Let's say we select Pay Maya. The order summary on the right shows you a preview of the total amount to pay, including the gateway fee. Note that if you purchased any Zennies, the option to use your Zennies will also automatically appear in this box. Click on Pay Now. Enter the required details, and that should lead you to the payment success page, provided your details are correct and verified. That's it. So, that's how you can upgrade your regular account to a Taxumo subscription plan.